Steve Taylor doing a review for Amazon.com for the LEGO Creator series. This is the Rainforest Animals. As you can see here, we have a parrot that's been built. If you build the parrot, you can also build the frog. These are the pellets or the nuts, that the seeds that the parrot eats. And then we have a little fly. That's what the frog eats, but he doesn't actually eat the fly, and but the parrot actually eats the pellets. It comes with 3 sets of instructions, so you have 3 separate books. So you can make a piranha is what we're calling it. You can make a fish.
But that can't. But any of these 2 ones can't come with any other.
Yeah, these are solo. So if you make it, you can make a fish. You can make an iguana or a chameleon, I guess it is. And you can, and then you have the instructions for the parrot. And again, the parrot comes. You can make the frog and the fly. So we have not made these 2 yet, but we have made this one. And it was a lot of fun. It's very, very colorful. And unlike a lot of the Lego things, this actually does something. And my son is going to show us what it does. What does he do?
This one opens his mouth, and the fly's supposed to fit like this on the frog's mouth,
that's
but
neat.
Doesn't actually eat it.
Let's see what the bird does.
He
Parrot.
opens his mouth, you put these little
Nuts, seeds,
nuts, whatever they are, in here, and then you pull this up, and here we go.
So you pull up his tail, and he drops the seeds. So that's a pretty different thing. And of course, anybody who has a parrot as a pet knows that birds are very good at doing that. And so this is kind of teaching your kids that you know, whatever goes in comes out. So we kind of think it's neat. The bright colors. This camera doesn't really pick up things real well, but it is much brighter than most of your Lego sets, and it's kind of neat. So for an inexpensive little toy, it's 215 pieces, and I think they'll really enjoy it. So anyway, this is Steve Taylor for Amazon.com.